Hi, today I'm going to make a flower basket made of popsicle stick or any ice cream sticks. And then since this pandemic, there are a lot of plantitos and plantitas out there who occupy spaces in their gardens. So with this flower basket, you can have it hanging or you can have it at the center table. Now we're going to start. Now I'll show you how to do it. DIY. Here are the materials needed. Popsicle sticks, we have the glue gun, poster paint, the brush, the glue stick, and then string, top glue. I just prepared it in case needed, and then our sparkle. Here's our used cell phone box. First step, we are going to put the glue gun at the edge of the box, up and down, the upper edge and the down edge. Then we're going to put the popsicle sticks at the edge using our hot glue gun. Then we have to cut those excess popsicle sticks so that it's even. Make sure that the glue gun is working. Okay, then. Next is the sidewards. The glue, then the popsicle stick. Now we're going to do the fence. So we have to measure it. The measurement of the fence is just estimate, or it's 2.5 inches. You can just use your ruler so that it's uniform also. Popsicle sticks are ready to, we are going There it is. Now we're going to paint. Since our box color is white, so we're going to put the inner part, we're going to paint it with pink. So I'm using here a poster paint and a paint brush. And since my daughter is naluoy with me, since I cannot, my paintbrush is bigger, so she let me borrow her waterproof brush. So I don't know why it's called waterproof brush, so that I can paint the edges or the internal or the box properly. So I'm using this time this waterproof brush. Part of the box. It's optional, but it's okay also to paint the whole box. So here, already put, I used towel, kitchen towel for my, there is the flower basket. For watching. Oh no, I'm not yet contented, so I get another flower head. So if you want to have it designed, then put a design in your flower basket to make it more creative and beautiful. So I put the 3 flowers in the front. And if you want your if you want your flower basket hanging, or you can put the strings beside so that you can save space at home. So you can have it hang on the wall or at your garden outside. The hanging flower basket. Thanks for watching.